Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show how you can add users in your Zoho admin portal. So in previous video we have shown how to add the domains. So once the domains add is done, now you can add the users in your Zoho admin portal. So to add the users, you click on users in here. So here you will find multiple options by add the users manually one by one. So in here just give the user's first name, the username. If you can also add the last name in here, and you give a password. Let's say auto generate a password in here. Force the user to change the password after the first login. So you can add in here, and also you can send the credential via email. This option is here, so it is pretty straightforward. Similar options like Office 365. Now click on add in here. Okay, I have already added this account. Let me use a different name. Okay, now click on add. So users added is done. So click on done. So it will show my users in here. So previously I have used that name, that's why it did not let me create that user. So it's done. And you can also invite the users, like invite a user. So if an external email address, you can invite the user, just giving them the email ID of the external users. It's like a guest user. And another option to create a user, if you have, let's say, like you have 200 plus users or 500 plus users, if you want to add it in your Zoho admin portal. So creating a user one by one is not a very feasible option, and so what we can do, we can use the import CSV file. So like same as Office 365, you can import the CSV file and you can import the user in here. So let's try to import the user using a CSV file option. Okay, so to import a CSV file, we need the CSV file, right? So let's click on learn more. So it will show a Zoho knowledge base. So you can download the file in here, a sample file. So sample file is downloaded. So you can open the file, and here's some information already preloaded. Information is there. So let me give a new name. Let's just say I want to use a common password in here. There will be no last name. Display name will be this. Okay, role is user. State address, city, let's say okay. Just random value. Okay, no need the mobile. Let's say I add another user. I don't think this password will be taken. Let's generate a new password. Let's generate a random password in here. Put it in our password box, because the simple password will not be accepted. Okay. This time I make it as an admin user. Same as. Okay. Now let me delete this column. I don't need that. Okay, let's save it. Okay, So save is done. Let me save into my Zoho folder. Let me save it. Okay, now you can close this out. Now I can import this CSV file. Click on import, choose a file, you can browse the file. Okay, now click on proceed. Okay, the password is also shown in here. I can also, you can also give the password in here, no issues. So click on proceed. Password should contain one special character. Okay, it's neat. Okay, there is no special character in here. Okay, invalid role, I give it as an administrator, so I should use I use admin, but I think there is some wrong information in the CSV file, so I think Zoho should correct this. Now click on proceed. Name of this import, let's say just call import. No policy, default policy. Let's click on start. Okay, it will show the progress. Okay, we need to wait for some time. So for the 2 users, I don't think it will take much for time. Okay, it's complete. So it did not take much time. It takes 40 seconds. But okay, this might be acceptable. This is acceptable, no issues. So in the users, it's completed. So let's click on users in here, and as you can see, the users that I created with the role is an administrator role and this super administrator role. So it's been created, and in users option we can also find some roles in here. So in the next video I will go through this option, because this is a part of security and compliance. So we will show this in the later videos. And also in the delete, you can delete in here. There is a more option like edit profile, add signature. This one is I like this feature. You can add the signature as an organization in here, and also you can add the signature from the admin portal, which is not available in Office 365. So in Zoho Mail you can easily edit set the signature for your users from your Zoho admin portal. It is I like this feature. So in here there are also some other tasks that we can do. We will go through this in the later videos. For this I just show you how you can create the users and how you can delete the users. I mean, delete the users is not difficult, as you can understand. You can bulk delete by uploading a CSV file, or you can just manually delete in here one by one. So this will be same like adding the users. So that's it for today. Thank you.